Let's do some solving exponential equations that have an e in them as well. Keeping going with section 7.6. Here's example 4. We're going to solve the equation e to the x minus 2 power equals 12. And just like when we had exponential equations before, we have two different strategies that we can use to solve. We could either write this as a logarithm, or we could take the log of both sides. And when you see this e here, think not just a regular logarithm, think natural logarithms. So if I'm writing this just as a natural log, because I would take the log base e, which means the natural log. The natural log of 12 equals x minus 2. Then we can add 2 to both sides. X equals the natural log of 12 plus 2. Now, instead of just writing this as a logarithm, like what we did before, we also could take the log of both sides. And since we have e here, let's take the natural log. That'll make things work out nicely. This x minus 2 power can come out front. That's x minus 2 times the natural log of e equals the natural log of 12. Well, look at this natural log of e. Remember the base is e? This really means e to what power gives me e? Well, this is all 1. So we get x minus 2 equals the natural log of 12. To get x by itself, we add 2 to both sides. And this actually, not only is it the same number as an answer, it looks exactly the same, whatever strategy you use to solve.